Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's vlog. As you can see, I have a bunch of candles here in the back. I'll explain all of that here in a second, but I'm just working on that right now. My allergies, or this cold, whatever it is, I think it's just allergies, but I don't know, are horrible. Like, the wind here in Albuquerque has been so horrible. It's been like a tornado every day, it feels like. So yeah, I lost my voice. I'm just getting my voice back, so it sounds really raspy. Okay, my kitchen looks crazy. I am getting an order together, and believe it or not, this is only half of the order. So this will all be 1 cent, which is gonna be lemon. And then I have to do another 100 batch of lavender. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I did 6 of them just as a tester so I could see what they smell like, make sure that they are perfect before I go ahead and do all of these, because I definitely want them to be, you know, pretty strong but not too strong. And so it's all kind of like a science experiment, kind of. So yeah, I'm working on this. I'm waiting for these to completely dry, and then I can go ahead and get started. It's all pretty simple, just time consuming, but yeah, this is my biggest order yet. Just got back from Target, so I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys. I got some more Flamingo razor cartridges refills. It comes with 4 of them. I got some toothpaste for Beckham. Sorry if you could hear Phoebe drinking water in the background. Some toothpaste for Beckham. This is bubblegum flavor. I got some protein powder. This is plant-based protein and immunity. I've actually never tried this brand before, Tone It Up, but I've heard it's really good, so I'm excited to try this. I'll probably make a smoothie later with this. And I got a new deodorant. I thought this was so cute and aesthetic looking, much more aesthetic than a normal deodorant. And you actually save the cartridge and you just buy the little refills for it. So actually a lot more sustainable than any regular deodorant. Got some bananas. I got Beckham this little bath Play-Doh. It's soap, and this was just like in the little dollar section of Target when you first walked in, so I thought he would love it. I got some Skinny Caramel Macchiato Starbucks Iced Espresso. This stuff is so good. I got this when we went camping a few weeks ago, and I'm hooked. I really love it. I got some cotton candy yogurts for Beckham. He really loves these. I got some Method fragrance booster. The scent is beach sage, so it just sounds like it's gonna smell really good. We'll see. Got some dog treats. I always get these for them. They love these. They go crazy. And the brand is 3 Dog Bakery, little chocolate chip cookies. I got Beckham some little sunglasses. We were at the pool all day today, and he really needs some sunglasses, and we're going again tomorrow, so hopefully these fit him. It says ages 3 and up, so he kind of has a big head, so I hope those fit him. I got some lavender scented baby wipes because we only had 1 more left, so just got a couple of those. And then my favorite body wash ever. If you guys have not tried the Native brand, it's amazing, and I'm hooked on the lilac and white tea scent. This is my 3rd bottle of this. I love it so much. I love that it's like clean, doesn't have any sulfates, parabens, nothing like that, so it smells amazing. And last, I have on my counter over here this huge concrete planter. Hi, Sawyer. And I actually have a little rose bush that I'm going to plant in here now, so hopefully it looks cute. But yeah, a lot of Target's like patio stuff and outdoor stuff was like 25 and 50% off, so I actually got this for a really good deal. Sit. Good girl. Mac, sit. Sit. Good boy. I don't think I've showed my garden before, but I'm gonna give you guys a little walkthrough. So this is what it looks like. I got the whole setup at Home Depot and put it together. It was so simple, so easy, and I love it so far. So hopefully it continues to grow. So over here we have a watermelon black diamond, and I'm actually going to plant this basil over here. My mom gave me this a few days ago, and I've been meaning to come and plant it outside, but yeah, as you can see, it's looking really sad, so I'm gonna plant that now. And over here we have cucumbers. Over here we have some peppers. We have zucchini squash, some strawberries, some little tiny green onions that are not doing so good, a blueberry plant that is not doing so good. My tomatoes, on the other hand, are doing pretty good, but they also look like they need a little help. We actually have one that's turning orange or turning red, so as you can see, there actually is a lot of little tomatoes on here. And then over here I have 2 jalapeno plants. So yeah, I want to get maybe 1 more or 2 more to plant over here, but we'll see. And it's been really windy the past few days, so they look a little sad. They do not like the wind, so I'm gonna plant my basil and then water everything. It is now Monday, and I've just been horrible at vlogging lately. Yesterday was Father's Day. It was really fun. We had family come over and we hung out and ate lots of good food and stuff like that. This week is going to be a pretty busy week. I have a lot of stuff to do. We are going to Arizona this weekend. I'm going with my best friend Jasmine and our friend Eddie, which I'm so excited, and it's just gonna be like a quick fun little trip. We're staying there Friday night and Saturday night, flying back Sunday, so it'll be really fun and it'll be nice to get out of town. So I have a lot to do to get ready. Whenever I go on like a little vacation or out of town, anything like that, I feel like I have to get my life in order, so that way I'm not like stressing while I'm on vacation or anything like that. So I like to make sure that the house is clean, laundry is done, like everything is good to go before I leave. And I'm actually kind of stressing out because I ordered clothes just for this trip, and it's not supposed to get here until like Thursday night, and we leave Friday morning. So I'm kind of freaking out because I mean, ordering clothes is just like a hit or miss, because I mean, I don't know if it's gonna look as cute as it did online. I don't know if it's gonna fit okay. So I'm just like, great, I don't know what to do. And it's kind of annoying because I picked 2-day shipping, and I even paid extra for it, and it's already been like 2 weeks, and it says it's not supposed to get here until like Thursday night. So I'm kind of worried about that. So my backup plan is to go to the mall and get some backup outfits just in case, and then if I don't end up wearing that stuff, I could just return that and get my money back when I come back, or I don't know, but I think that's what I'm gonna do. I don't really have any like going out outfits or anything like that, so yeah, I just need to get some new clothes and just a few things. So I might do that today because I don't want to be stressing about that later on in the week. So yeah, hopefully I get my stuff Thursday night and hopefully it all fits. That way, you know, I don't have to stress about trying to find outfits at the mall or something like that. But I'm gonna end this vlog off here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was kind of all over the place, a lot going on. But I hope you guys have a wonderful week and we will see you soon. Bye, loves.